I don't. Alright. Hey guys, this is Taylor, and I'm going to be doing each house of episodes. So this is going to be episode 1. So don't forget to check out my other videos. And don't forget to turn on notifications, subscribe, and like. And please do not watch this video if you only have a little bit of time, because this is gonna probably take a while. Well, not so long, but take a while. So yeah, let's just get started to the video. So mainly what we're doing, we're just gonna style each house, delete each house, and then restyle it. And some of the houses I already did over the weekend, so I think that'll be good to do. So I'll be doing Linda something house, and so yeah, so this is her house. I did this a few a few months ago, so I'll go ahead and do this one. So mainly what we're doing, we're just deleting the rooms, and the furniture won't delete. The furniture will stay. All the furniture would do would just all the furniture, what it would do, all you gotta do is just delete this, and then the furniture would just still be in your inventory and it won't go away. Now you want to get everything that is out the house, which is like outside furniture and designs and other things like that. You go ahead and use those. See, so you already got all that. Wait. Oh wow, I've been looking for this like a long time. I knew that I bought one. Alright, so let's just get started building. To show your to like go inside your roof and everything, this is the way where you can see it. So since she does not have that much in her room would be about this big, and then her bathroom would be about like this, and then this would be her dining room. Wait, no, not her dining room. Right. So we're keeping it like this. We're gonna come up. I hate when this is not bigger. We're gonna come up. We're gonna use this space right here, and we'll use that. Right, there you go. So this is her house, and she's like my daughter babysitter. So I'll get her own room. So yeah, there we go. So that's how it's like, and let's see if this house is big enough so we can go through it. Oh, yep, it is, but not so big enough where you can like turn. I don't think. Alright, nope, it's good. So I like how this house is shaped. Look at this. I like how this house is shaped. This is really cool. Look at that. So now I'm just going to add the furniture in. We're going to add a tub in there, so We don't want to do that just yet because we have to set down the countertops. So that's what I'm going to do now. If I sold these would be good money. We're back. Okay, I'm back and I'm done with the house. Hope you guys really enjoyed this video because I have no more space. So maybe this video was short. I hope you really enjoyed it. Peace out and subscribe. Don't forget to share my videos and don't forget to share my channel. And yeah, look. And if you guys are wondering where is the door is like right here because I don't want it going in someone's room, and that's really disturbing because you know things may happen. So it's just the house and a little bit tour. This is my daughter's room because Linda is like the new babysitter, so you know, babysits my daughter, and I also have to put a tub in here. So if you really enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, like I said, and the first intro. And where is it? Oh, there we go. We're done. So yeah, pretty much I had to spend most of my money, which had 30,000, but it's okay. I at least have 26,000 left and 882, so I probably get that really easy. And this is how it looks without it going in. That's how that's looking there. And then this is how the room looks. And the bathroom. And the bathroom. So yeah, I hope you really enjoyed this video. And leave a like. And don't forget to share one more time. Don't forget to follow Taylor_Queen. And I'll see you next time. Bye.